You just blew out 1,000 candles. Your cake is on fire. Your great-great-great-great-grandchildren are fighting over who gets to sit next to you. And somewhere in a lab, a scientist is already working on getting you to 2,000. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is what happens if you live to 1,000 years old. Right now, the oldest human ever recorded lived to 122. That record hasn't been broken in decades, but scientists believe it's about to be shattered. Not by a little, by a lot. They call it longevity escape velocity. If science can extend your life faster than time takes it away, you never have to die. So what happens to your body? Right now, your cells are aging out. Some stop working, but refuse to die. These zombie cells slowly destroy you from the inside, but scientists are learning how to remove them, to repair your DNA, to slow aging dramatically. By the time you're 300 years old, you might still look 35, but your body isn't the real problem. Your mind is. Over 1,000 years, you wouldn't just live longer, you'd become someone else. Memories fade, identities shift, entire lifetimes forgotten, and everyone you ever loved would be gone. Eventually, grief stops being an event. It becomes your permanent background, and the world around you starts to break. Too many people, not enough resources, entire systems pushed beyond their limits, and only a few might get to live forever. So after 1,000 years, are you still you? Or just someone wearing your name? So if the choice existed, would you take it? Because the first person to live to 1,000 might already be alive. Maybe it's you. And if it is, I hope you've got a big enough cake